But what I see in you is just the visionaries out there like yourself. You see an opportunity and you walk forward, and then you trust that God will bring the resources and the people. Why don't we talk a little about some of your big ventures and things? What are the things you've been most proud of? You've done a lot, so I don't even know where to start. But tell me some of the things that have been most exciting for you to develop and do, and maybe some future where you're headed.
Uh, yeah, I think, my big thing recently has been I took over manufacturing because to ship to 90 countries and you're manufacturing, you really want to control every part of the process. And I have a lot of patents and trademarks that I would say, I don't want to say I'm proud of. I know they're not, it's not me. Like I said earlier, it's some, we've all been given gifts, strengths and weaknesses, but I think that strength that I was given and being able to write and being able to translate and then to understand science and to put it into practical uses to help society is very important. Because if you think about this, you can't change the land, air, and water. I'm just going to tell everyone. It's the governments don't have the money.